How's everybody doing? I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I guess. I can't believe I'm saying this. Because I have Thanksgiving every day. You guys are ridiculous. These niggas literally point pin just one. Like, that's the only day you can give Thanksgiving. That's the only day you're supposed to. You guys make me sick, honestly. A bunch of limited motherfuckers. And then you wanna come against people like me. Nigga, you're gonna get smacked. Quick. Now, what are we gonna talk about today? Let's talk about beta males. The difference between males and men. Now, for you ladies who are dating males, you gotta change that. If you know your value, of course. If you don't, you will remain with him. For the women who knows their value, kudos to you. The difference between males and men. Men are emotionally educated. Real men understands divine feminine are leaders of their lives. Yeah. He who finds a good wife finds the greatest thing in the world. Divine feminines are the spiritual realms. Which means if you need guidance, I am your guide man for anything and everything that you want to do. Because I see far beyond than what you see. That is a true divine feminine, by the way. And that divine feminine will always end up with a king. Let me tell you guys what a king is. It's nothing like what you beta males do. And then try to call yourself kings and all you deliver is shit. A real man understands controlling your emotions is number one. That man